Hey folks, it's Dr. Smith, and I am in the Restorative Learning Center of my school. We call it RLC. When I was a kid, it was called detention, but now it's a lot cooler. There's nice soft lights. It's just a very chill vibe. This week is Microsoft Excel Module 2. We're going to do a few different things with formatting the worksheets. In Module 2, there are two very simple assignments we have to do. We've got the Module 2 training and the Module 2 textbook project, and that's it. There is the optional MOS training that you can take. If you're working towards that, that is due on Tuesday. The textbook project, again, very similar to what we've done in the past. There are 2 files this time, but you're only going to upload 1 file. That second file is a support file. It's just an image that you'll learn how to incorporate into the spreadsheet. The textbook instructions on this are pretty clear. There are a lot of steps, so I'll just remind you, if you get to a place and you need to take a break or you have a different task that you can do, you can always add a bookmark to that page. And then when you need to go see your bookmark later, if you go to the little highlighter pencil, you'll see your bookmarks across the whole book, and that will take you where you need to go. What you're going to end up with is a annual sales report for a seafood restaurant. Actually a series of seafood restaurants. It looks like they got multiple franchises across multiple states. And these blue lines towards the very end of the instructions, these blue lines indicate where the pages would be separated for printing. And you'll see you've even got page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. And when you preview these to print, you may notice that it's going to print preview is going to look a little different than what the actual spreadsheet looks like on your screen. And that is normal. That's by design. All right, with that, I'm going to let you guys get back to it, and I'm going to get back to serving detention in my nice, calmly lit, quiet RLC classroom. Thanks.